Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Vice President of the Republic of Nigeria, please permit me to stand on the existing protocol. Mr. President, with me here is Senator Peter Nwaoboshi, Senator representing Delta North, a member of the PDP. Mr. President, in line with the mandate and the injunctions from Mr. President and the chairman of our party to go out and recruit the strongest of the opposition to assist in pushing the agenda of Mr. President and moving this country forward. I've been able to reach out to the senator, who, by the way, has been working, even though in PDP, with the Senate President and myself in managing the affairs of the Senate. And we've been able to convince him to join the party to assist in moving your agenda and the agenda of the party forward. Mr. President, I have the pleasure to present to you Senator Peter Nwaoboshi.